Over time, windshield wipers can start to squeak or make irritating noises. Luckily, with a few easy steps, you can stop the squeaks and keep your wipers working smoothly. Wiper blades can accumulate dirt, grime, and debris, causing them to squeak as they move across the glass. Therefore, clean your wiper blades with vinegar. Simply apply some vinegar to a soft cloth and wipe the wiper blades, as vinegar helps remove oils, dirt, and grime that accumulate on the blades, which can contribute to squeaking or streaking. A dirty windshield can also cause the wipers to squeak, so make sure to clean the windshield regularly. Use a windshield cleaner and a microfiber cloth to remove dust and debris. Low quality or old windshield washer fluid can sometimes cause wiper blades to squeak. Make sure you are using a good quality fluid and top it up regularly. Rain-X All-Season Windshield Washer enhances wiper performance by providing a smooth, streak-free surface that reduces friction. This product helps wipers move smoothly across the windshield. It also reduces wear, making the wipers last longer while cleaning better. Sometimes the rubber on the wiper blade becomes too hard, which can cause squeaking. To fix this problem, apply rubbing alcohol to a paper towel and wipe the wiper blades. This will soften the rubber and help prevent squeaking. Over time, the rubber on wiper blades can wear down, which often leads to squeaking. To address this, first remove the wiper blade from the arm. When putting arm back, be sure to cover it with a rag to avoid any damage. Check the wiper blades. If the rubber is in good condition, the wiper arm might be misaligned or bent, which can cause uneven pressure on the blade, leading to squeaks. To fix this, take 2 adjustable wrenches and a piece of a sharp towel. Place the towel under the wrenches to protect the arm, and then twist the wrenches inward so the rubber is perpendicular to the glass. After adjusting, test the wiper blade by moving the arm. By doing this, you will easily fix this problem. If the squeaking persists, try applying a lubricant to the rubber blade. This can help reduce friction between the blade and the windshield, allowing the wiper to move more smoothly and quietly. WD-40 lubricates the wiper blades, helping them move smoothly and reducing squeaks. It also cleans off dirt, grime, and other residues from the blades. Simply apply a small amount of WD-40 to a microfiber cloth. Gently wipe the wiper blade along its entire length, ensuring even coverage. This will help reduce squeaks, improve the smoothness of the wipe, and extend the life of the wiper blades. By following these simple and easy steps, you will prevent squeaks and ensure your wipers last longer.